All right, guys. Oh man, big video today, big update for you guys. So let me just get straight to the chase. What we are seeing being proposed in the market here is a potential rate cut. This is insane. A potential rate cut down to 1%. If you guys know the charts that I've been showing you, where we look at the inverted yield curve and the interest rates moving back down, what happens when you slowly trickle down interest rates, you usually get a stock market crash to the last 3 or 4 times, depending on how you look at it if you count COVID into the mix. If we take us down to the bottom, basically like basis point for interest rates, what we can do in some cases is actually forego any potential stock market crash and actually put us in a place where when rates are really low, this is where prices actually start maturing back to the upside very quickly. So on top of this, what could potentially be coming is this phase right here. This is why I've got us on this chart. This is total. This is the whole cryptocurrency market cap. If interest rates decrease, what can we do? We can shift from QT to QE, quantitative tightening to quantitative easing. We already know M2 money supply and global liquidity is going up. So that's going to push Bitcoin up already. Also, we've got some trade deals that are going through that are supposed to actually finalize in August, which I believe is going to add liquidity to the United States economy. So what I expect to happen here, guys, in the next few months for cryptocurrency is going to blow your guys' mind. I think the price discovery for XRP, XLM, all these ISO coins are going to be fantastic. Here's what I just talked about this morning. Guys, go over to tradeconfident.io. We have a new setup on our website where all the updates are actually on the front page now. This is the one that I just released to you guys. Should you go all in on altcoins right now, plus how XRP could hit legitimately, I promise you this is not clickbait, how it could hit $1,500 by January 1st, 2026. And I also give you guys a downloadable Google Doc to explain how that specifically can happen. I hope everybody is paying attention and giving yourselves the research and the data that you need to understand what you're investing in. I'll show you my portfolio in a second here. There's a reason why I own a lot of that. Okay, so today we're going over the cycles. How close are we to the end? And then also, is it time to go all in on altcoins, or do we have one more drop back down that we need to look for, which I'll actually prove from 3 different charts, where we could be getting one last grab opportunity before altcoins move back up and potentially even fulfilling some of the prophetic words online of XLM crashing back down to that 11-cent mark. There's actually charts that from technical analysis say that could be happening. I'll give you guys a full update on the sell limits. I promise you, you watch this weekend, I will show you the greatest sell limits on XRP, XLM, Solana, Cardano, SHIB, and I think that's it. I just named them all. All the ones you see here, these are my holdings. All of these sell limits for the greatest Fibonacci extensions, trend lines, you need to be watching that, okay? A review of the buy limits that I have set up. Also, why this could be a massive fake out. I do have 3 charts to show you guys, a new chart that you guys have never seen before if you are previous members. And then the XRP revelation that I got, which I linked down here, which just blew my mind about the reverse carry trade. If I say the reverse carry trade to you and you're like, what? You need to understand what's about to happen here. And it could happen in days, literally, because interest rates increasing in Japan while interest rates maybe stay the same for a little bit longer here in the United States, a reverse carry trade could happen and you need to be prepared for that. Okay. And then what I am doing with the majority of cash on the sidelines. A lot of people are still in cash on the sidelines and they don't know when to put it back in the market. That is what I'm trying to explain to you guys today, to show you the charts to say if you've got sideline money or buy limits, this is where you get into the market. Okay? The most crucial part, and this is tradeconfident.io, guys, so just go watch this, and all the other past future forecasts are here. Watch the tax software I gave you guys. This will blow your mind. It is so amazing. You guys can go through this. But really, I will whiteboard here as I end this out because I want to leave you guys with a visual. I know I do a lot of talking about the membership because I put so much effort into that, and our portfolio has done very well. We're up over $700,000 this year because of the teachings that I've given in those future forecasts, and everybody's able to copy my entries and exits. I think it's just an amazing thing. But as I want to leave you guys here, I want to actually leave you with a teaching here about what I'm talking about. It's about timing the bottom of altcoins. Altcoins have done very well. Now, it is no secret that XRP and XLM have done insanely well. Like, we got into XLM at 0.94 cents. 55 cents for XRP. That was at the low. And we ended up seeing about a 500% increase in the market within about an 8-day period. There is one more scenario that I see here, guys, that could be playing out where we have not actually found the lows to some altcoins to say, all right, at these lows in the previous years of 2013, 17, and 21, we reached those lows. We haven't reached that yet. So it tells me that there's a possible another leg down here that altcoins could reach, which is why I have buy limits set up, and I'll show you where I have those set up. Before we actually go into what I believe it's going to be the biggest rally, if we get interest rates dropping, guys, to 1% and the money printer turns on, as I believe it's going to, this whole market is going to explode into fourth quarter. And right now is where you guys make those, you guys see people on YouTube, they're like, we're going for those 10x, we're going for those 20x. Guys, we will probably do a 22x return on our Solana trade because we bought at the lows, but the lows could still be coming. Let me just show you guys today in this future forecast how to time the bottom of altcoins. When you guys go to the front page and you click this, you'll see all the charts that I go through. And then you can actually see, I'll give you the tickers that I'm using so you can mock them up yourself if you want and you can watch this. I want to educate you guys on how to find the bottom because your window is getting so small here. You have about 5 months left to make life-changing money for the next years. And if you're not positioned correctly, it's just going to pass you by. So please take advantage of this. All right, guys, a quick update on the portfolio as I normally do on these YouTube videos, let you guys know where we're at. We've already pulled out $171,000 of profit this year. We are $691,000 in profit. The market's heading down a bit this morning. That's okay. Every single dip in the market is to be bought right now based off of what I see coming. So I'm excited about this. Guys, go watch the future forecast. It is live for you guys on the homepage of tradeconfident.io. Enjoy the discount of 25% off for the first month. Watch as many as you guys would like. And if you see anything you like here, just watch the video and it's all yours. We called trade up setups out recently. Real quick before I end this, we did call out some new trade setups. If you guys want to look at that, we are 103 wins and 0 losses, and you'll get access to all that as well. So guys, enjoyed the new website. We launched this last night, and I think you guys really need to watch this video here because it will get you guys prepared for the setup of the biggest move coming, which is Q4 of cryptocurrency and altcoins. Watch this, guys, and I'll see you in the future forecast. Bye-bye.